Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm back again with a very good opportunity that is being offered by Google. So if you don't know by now, Google is offering their cohort for AI. So this is going to be a proper AI course, a proper AI program by Google, or a cohort, whatever you want to call it, in which you will be getting proper hands-on sessions, you'll be having proper assessments, code labs, and you'll be getting trained on AI. So obviously this is something that all of you guys should take advantage of, because not only you're getting to learn so many things, you are getting swags on top of that, and you're getting a proper certificate on top of that, a certificate that will add value to your resume, that you can make a part of your portfolio, right? And opportunities like these barely come, like we seldom see such opportunities that are company backed, and this is definitely backed by Google itself, right? So you'll have the name of Google on your CV in the form of this cohort, in the form of this AI program. So let's have a deeper look. Let's understand what exactly will be there and what all you'll be learning from it and what all you need to do. So as you can see, cohort 3, August 26 to September 26, and right now the registrations are open. You can register as of now. Okay, so they've had multiple cohorts before. This is the cohort 3. Okay, so accelerate AI with Cloud Run. This cohort guides developers through full life cycle of an AI agent, evolving from basic deployment to professional multi-agent orchestration. Now, I don't need to tell you guys that AI agent is pretty much all of the hype. Every company is working with AI agents. Every company, every brand is asking their employees to work with AI agents. AI agent is pretty much the next big thing, right? So here you'll be learning AI agent, as they've already mentioned, from basic deployment to professional multi-agent orchestration. You will be learning everything, the complete life cycle of an AI agent. Okay. So as they mentioned, we'll focus on Cloud Run, aims to train developer to build a connected system of AI agents that take a business from its first customer interaction to a national scale operation, and AI agents will be the one doing that. You will be the one working with AI agents on this, okay? Across 3 progressive labs, student will follow one growing business, a coffee shop. So this is your basically assessment. This is basically going to be your hands-on thing, right? As it launches a personalized customer experience, expands into new market with data-driven locational intelligence, and automates daily operations to run leaner, all built and deployed on Google Cloud. So this is what you'll be doing. This is what you'll be learning from, and obviously the same learning you can take, and you can make that learning, you can pretty much apply that learning anywhere else. Okay, so cohort 1 and 2 success at a glance. You have 334k developers, 121k organization and institution, 12 plus countries across APAC region. So basically it is a huge thing, it is a big thing. It's not something that is happening on a smaller scale, it is happening at a proper scale, right? So who should join? Working professionals, startups, developers, builders, pretty much anyone can join. They're not being very exclusive, or they're not saying that they'll be excluding someone because of XYZ reason. Anyone who's a working professional, you're a developer, you're a startup, anything, you can take part in this. And as they've mentioned down below, you don't need any prior experience. So you can see Cohort is designed for developers with a foundational understanding of Python and Gen AI concept. If you have a basic understanding of Python, you have a basic understanding of Gen AI concepts, you don't need anything else, okay? So don't get scared by seeing all of this. You don't need any experience. If you're a beginner, you know Python, you know basic Gen AI, you're good to go. Now, the cohort is divided into 2 parts. You have the academy, in which you'll be having workshops, labs, assessments, you'll be getting the learning, and then you'll have Ideathon. Ideathon is going to be a capstone competition, which is going to be amazing for you. Okay, so what will your journey look like? You'll have live on-demand workshops, interactive Google experts-led sessions. You'll have Google experts leading these sessions. You'll have instructor-led sessions. You'll have hands-on code labs. You'll be having guided hands-on for practical experience, and you'll have MCQ assessment. So as I said, it's not a course, it's an entire cohort, it's an entire program in which you'll be having all of these things. Then you're having an assessment, and then you're having an Ideathon capstone competition as well, right? So how do you graduate? To earn your Gen AI master certification, right? Because you are getting a certificate, as you might have seen on the thumbnail, and as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you are getting a proper Gen AI certificate, a certificate that is going to add value to your portfolio. Now, for earning that, you need to complete at least one full track by attending the workshops, finishing the code lab, and completing the required MCQ. So on a step-by-step basis, this is what they have mentioned. Step 1 is attending the workshops. You'll have live or you'll have on-demand workshops. You'll have sessions. and then you can attend them, you can learn, and then you can finish hands-on code labs. Whatever code labs is given to you, you have to finish the hands-on, you have to finish the hands-on coding part of it, practical lab part of it, okay? And then you have to pass the MCQ assessment. Still have the mandatory quiz, it's mandatory, and the track assessment in the workshop and code lab. Once you pass everything, once you finish everything, then you'll be getting a proper certificate of Gen AI, okay? So after that, you'll be getting your Gen AI master certificate, and then this is just part one, right? And then the part two, you'll be able to take part in the ideathon, in which you'll be able to basically take part in a real world competition, which itself is a big deal in and of itself, right? So not only you're getting the program, you're getting an ideathon, both of these things you're getting together, okay? So they mentioned why join Gen AI Academy. So here they're telling you few things like practical skills. So you are learning things, you are getting AI tools right, you're getting a career edge because of course Gen AI Master Certificate will hold value. And the most important part, you are getting a community. See, whenever there's a thing like this, right, a lot of people join and you get to meet a lot of people, you get to interact with a lot of people. So it sort of gives you that community, it sort of gives you that network of developers, network of mentors, people who are sort of going towards the same goal, right? So you're getting a community, you're getting a good network, and there are rewards. So you have cash prizes, and as I mentioned, you're getting exclusive goodies and swags, right? So getting swags as well, which is amazing, and opportunity to join the Gen A Elite Club, which is for the top performers. Okay. Now, as they said, you have to finish one of the tracks. These are the tracks. Okay. So build and deploy a customer-facing AI agent, turn business data into strategic decision, automate daily operations with the productivity agent. So you'll have lab 1, build an AI agent on Cloud Run with ADK and RAG. Okay. So a personalized AI assistant for a coffee shop app using the Google Agent Development Kit ADK and RAG to recommend orders tailored to each customer deployed live on Cloud Run. Best for developers interested in conversational AI, agent orchestration, and shipping production ready custom experiences. Okay. Core tools are ADK, RAG, and Cloud Run. Then you have a data-driven expansion agent. So again, this is obviously more leaning towards data using Gemini, the BigQuery MCP server, and public bike route datasets to identify cyclist-friendly locations for their next store. Okay, so best for developers and data practitioners interested in open model, MCP-based tool use, and applying the BigQuery to real-world sitting decision. Here you'll be using Gemini, BigQuery, MCP server, and public datasets. Okay. And then last, you have automating daily operations with a productivity agent. So basically, you'll be building a productivity agent that helps the business owner stay on top of daily tasks like checking sales, tracking inventory, doing the daily work of a business owner for them. Okay, deployed on Cloud Run with an upcoming features to extend. Okay, it's best for developers interested in task automation agents and deploying agents for practical everyday operational use cases. And the core tools that you'll be using here will be Cloud Run and task automation tooling. Okay, so you'll be having live workshops, as you can see, DevRel Engineer Google Cloud, DevRel Engineer Google, Senior DevRel Engineer Google. So you'll be having all of these sessions by Google engineers. Okay, and then of course you have the option of becoming a elite club member as well. So registrations are open. You can go ahead and register for this right now. So you can make an account and then you can register for this. Okay, so as you can see here, with this you can register for this, and you can pretty much mention your occupation, and then you can go ahead and register for this. Okay, so for sure a very good opportunity. Highly recommend all of you guys to go ahead and take part for this. And if you have any doubts, if you have any things you are confused about, or if you need any guidance with your resume, you need any guidance with your placement, with your preparation, or any other thing, then you can connect one-to-one with me. I've already helped hundreds and hundreds of students, and I would love to help you out as well. Links for everything will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let me see you guys in the next one.